In Prolog, facts and rules live in a dynamic database. Most people first encounter this when they load files, so here's an example. Consult reads the file and populates the internal database with the contents, facts, and a rule. The user can query who's happy or lucky. But you don't need a file. You can add to the database on the fly using assert. The additions can be queried just like a consulted program. So, consult is just one way to fill memory. Assert does the same thing, one clause at a time. Rules can also be added and used. And yes, you can assert the same clause multiple times. Asserted data behaves just like it was loaded from a file. The database doesn't care how the facts got in. And, just as you can add, so you can remove. Retract deletes clauses. So the number of answers to a query can reduce. If multiple clauses match, only the first is removed, starting from the top. Just 4 happy people now. A common use of assert is to cache user answers, like in this expert system program. But here's the caution. Make sure it's a deliberate design decision. It's tempting to use assert and retract like global variables, but that's not the Prolog way. Side effects can make debugging harder and logical reasoning messier. You can use assert A or assert Z to be explicit about where clauses go. This helps with predictability and style. Remember, clarity and logic first design are what make Prolog powerful.